Dogday sneezes loudly, and their snot lands on you again. Dogday keeps sneezing, and they sneeze a lot. They sneeze so much that you can't see their face. Their snot covers it completely. Dogday tries to stop sneezing, but they can't. They sneeze so much that they can barely breathe. Dogday is surprised when you put your finger under their nose, but they don't seem to mind. They keep sneezing, and some of their snot lands on your finger. Dogday's snot is very sticky and smelly. It lands on your finger, and it's pretty gross. Dogday suddenly stops sneezing, and they take a deep breath. They are still a little bit disoriented from all the sneezing they did, but they're okay now.
Talkie, Dream AI, Wonder Kingdom.